Yeah, good evening everyone. Actually, there is a serious allegation against the governor of West Bengal. A casual staff, a woman staff of the governor's office in Kolkata, Rajbhavan, has leveled a serious complaint against the governor, and the woman has alleged that the governor of West Bengal has molested her. Okay, not only once, even two times, and this has become an issue of election also, because the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, in one of her election campaigning, told that that the girl has been molested by the governor of West Bengal, and some other ministers of West Bengal have also raised their voice against the activities or unlawful activity of the governor. Actually, you see, during the time of the 18th Lok Sabha election, everybody know in India that there is a political tussle between the state government led by Trinamool Congress and the union and the BJP-led NDA government, right? So in this situation, these allegations, but still every allegation should be looked into seriously. But people should know that what is the provision of the Constitution of India. Actually, you see, the constitution makers were very much aware such kinds of problems might arise in the days to come, and that's why they have given what is in protections. They have given protections to the presidents and governors. Actually, in almost all the states, if both the governments, that is the parliament, that the government ruling in the country, and the government ruling by the same party in the state are if both the parties are same, then then this type of tussles or this type of challenges or this type of problems normally do not arise, right? But in case where the central government is run by an opposition party, which is opposition party of the state government ruling party, so then this type of situation or allegations often very rarely arise, right? So what is the provision the government of India, I mean the Constitution of India, because Constitution is the fundamental law. Constitution is the highest law of the country, right? So everybody should know what is the provision of the Constitution. You see, Article 361 says about the protection of president and governors, right? So it is said, number one, the president or the governor or Rajpramukh of a state shall not be answerable to any court for the exercise and performance of the powers and duties of his office, or for any act done or purporting to be done by him in the exercise and performance of those powers and duties, right? Number one. Number two, there is a provision, you see, provided that the conduct of the president may be brought under review by any court, tribunal or body appointed or designated by either House of Parliament for the investigation of a charge under Article 61. But this matter does not arise in case of the governor of a state, right? Next, provided further that nothing in this clause shall be considered as restricting the right of any person to bring appropriate proceedings against the government of India or the government of a state, right? Now you see, second, number two, it is a very good provision, you see. Number two, no criminal proceedings, remember, no criminal proceedings whatsoever shall be instituted or continued against the president or the governor of a state, right, in any court during his term of office, So there is no any court in India where any criminal proceedings whatsoever may be, it may be, shall be instituted or continued against the president or the governor of a state, right? Number one. Number two, no process for the arrest or imprisonment of the president or the governor of a state shall issue from any court during his time of office, right? Number four, no civil proceedings in which relief is claimed against the president or the governor of a state shall be instituted during his term of office in any court in respect of any act done or purporting to be done by him in his personal capacity, whether before or after he entered upon his office as president or as governor of such state, until the expiration of 2 months next after notice in writing has been delivered to the president or the governor, as the case may be, or left at his office, stating the nature of the proceedings, the cause of action thereof, the name, description and place of residence of the party by whom such proceedings are to be instituted, and the relief which he claims. So these provisions of the Constitution is or are known to all the civil servants of India. All the civil servants know this procedure, know this provision of the Constitution, right? You see, so the Kolkata police have filed a police complaint in case based on the statements given by the Raj Bhavan employee, but they cannot name Governor C.V. Anand Bose in the case due to the immunities provided by Article 661 of the Constitution of India, right? You see, so I told you what is 361, Article 361, what are the provisions of the Constitution, what are the immunities and what are the protections provided by the government, provided by the Constitution of India. Further, Article 361 has 2 clauses that state, number 1, no criminal proceedings whatsoever shall be initiated or continued against the president or the governor, I am repeating, right, of a state in any court during the term of his office. Number 2, no process for the arrest or imprisonment of the president or the governor of a state shall issue from any court during his term of office. See, in this regard, I would like to say about Supreme Court judgment. You see, as per the Indian Express newspaper, the Supreme Court has upheld the immunities. The Supreme Court also has upheld the immunities, okay, provided to the president and governors by the Constitution in the landmark Rameshwar Prasad versus Union of India case, where the Supreme Court of India observed that, quote, the position in law is that the governor enjoys complete immunity. Right? With this, I would like to conclude here. So, everybody, those who are trying to allege or those who are trying to malign the post of governor should refrain from doing this. But if it is a serious case, but if it is an actual, but that will be investigated maybe. But the governors and the President of India are fully immune from any kind of imposition in law. Is that the governors enjoy complete immunity, That's why no criminal proceedings can be initiated against the governors or the President of India during his term of office. Okay, thank you very much.